Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to just share with you some ways you can use baking soda around your home to actually deodorize, clean, and also scour areas that are super dirty. What I like about baking soda is that it is super cheap, and also it doesn't have any chemicals in it that can maybe be harmful to our bodies. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Amy. I'd love to have you back, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started on all baking soda uses. So the first use for baking soda is for a deodorizer. And anytime you might have some stinkiness in your dishwasher, all you need to do is just sprinkle about 1/3 of a cup to 1/2 a cup of baking soda inside. Then you will close it and run it on the hottest setting that you have, and you will be surprised at how fresh and clean it will smell when you open it after the wash cycle has been run. So the second way I like to use baking soda is to use it in the pet beds, and that removes the pet odor that may be lingering in their pet beds. So again, all you do is sprinkle a little bit of baking soda, wait about 15 minutes so that it'll absorb all the odors, and then just vacuum it up. And then you will be left with a nice fresh pet bed. So a third use for baking soda is to sprinkle it just slightly on your toothpaste and brush your teeth. And you will be amazed at how soft and slick your teeth will feel for the rest of the day. Make sure to give it a try and then let me know in the comments what you think about it. So this next use for baking soda, I like to combine it with some everyday items that you might have around your house, which is some Dawn liquid soap, as well as some white vinegar. And what we're going to do is make a paste out of the baking soda, and then just a little bit of the Dawn, and then add just a little bit of water. And this makes a wonderful scouring product that you can use to really combat soap scum. It works just as good as scrubbing bubbles, and it is a lot less chemicals, so it is a wonderful natural way to clean. So I'm also filling up a spray bottle with just some distilled white vinegar, and that will be used after we've scrubbed to spray down the shower. So I'm starting on the inside of my shower, and I'm just showing you I have like a brush, and I will just take the paste and then start scrubbing in circles and really applying some pressure, and then leaving it to set for approximately, it depends on how bad your soap scum is, but up to an hour. And then once it is set, then you can spray it with the vinegar. Once that solution has set for approximately 45 minutes to an hour, then I will take and spray it with the white distilled vinegar. And you just start to spray it down, and it'll start to foam. And then you can also leave this for another 15 minutes and then wipe it down with just normal water. So here I'm just showing that I went ahead and sprayed it down with just some plain water, and then just wiped it down with a washcloth. And that's the final step, and you will be surprised at how nice your shower will look. It is going to be just as nice as using all those chemicals that are in scrubbing bubbles or something like that, and it really does cut through all the soap scum. So I wanted to show you just how clear it was, so I went ahead and dried it with a towel just so that you could really see how the baking soda really cut all the soap scum. Okay, so here's a final look at the nice and clean shower, and just look how the chrome really shines. Also, another tip is to add an essential oil to your vinegar spray to combat that vinegar smell, but that will dissipate in no time. So another awesome way to use baking soda is to apply it to your mattress. And I like to do this seasonally, and what it will do is, just like the pet bed, it will refresh and make your mattress really nice and fresh. So what I like to do, you can take a sifter, or like what I did, I just sprinkled it on and then just spread it out evenly, let it set for about 15 minutes, and then vacuumed it up, and then finish by making the bed, and you'll have a nice fresh bed. Like, what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. Now this brings me to my sixth use for baking soda, and that is to brighten up dingy laundry. So all you do is add a cup of baking soda to your load, and here I'm just washing my sheets, and this combined with liquid detergent helps to balance the pH and get the clothes even cleaner. So both whites and colors will come out of the washing machine even brighter. So my seventh way of using baking soda is to use it as a slight abrasive. If you've ever wondered how someone can get their stainless steel sink to look nice and shiny, the key is probably baking soda. So here I just sprinkled some baking soda inside the sink, and then I just soaked a paper towel in the white distilled vinegar, and I'm going to apply that and let it set for 15 minutes. This will start a bubbling reaction and really clean the sink. Once you come back, you can go ahead and scrub the sink lightly, and then your sink will be so soft and clean. Follow that up with a little bit of polish, either whatever you use on your stainless steel, or you can even just use olive oil, and you will have one of the shiniest stainless steel sinks around. So the last way that I use baking soda is to clean my stovetop, and it can get really dirty, and with the same mixture that we used for the shower we can use on our stovetop, and it is very delicate. It will not scratch it, and it gets it super clean. So we are going to use baking soda, add a little bit of dish detergent, which I love Dawn, and then just a little bit of water. Then you're going to apply that to the top of the stovetop with a sponge, and you're going in circular motions, making sure to cover the entire surface. And any area that you see that there's burnt on crusty food, you want to apply a little extra pressure. And then you're going to go back in with the scouring side of a sponge and really apply some pressure. That's where you're really using the baking soda more as a scouring pad, and it really gets off the food without any scratches. The last step is to spray the surface with white distilled vinegar to allow that foaming action, and let set for about 15 minutes. Then you're going to come back and take a dry paper towel and just wipe all of the solution off, and you're going to be left with a nice, shiny, clean stovetop. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this video and have learned a few ways to use baking soda around your home, and how it can be so beneficial and very cheap. And you don't have to always buy those popular cleaning agents, because things around your home can be clean and sparkly using really cheap and everyday items like baking soda, peroxide, dish detergent, and even just white vinegar. Those things you can really clean your home with and not have to spend a bunch of money. Until next time, I'll see you later, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.